All right, I'm out here testing the Zoom H1n, and we're gonna kind of compare it to some of the audio I have here. That way you can kind of see the difference and see if this is something that you might be interested in. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, so we're here at Woodward Park River that you can see right behind me, and we're going to compare the sound from the DJI mic that's built into the Osmo Pocket 3 to the Zoom H1n, and go from there and see if you can tell the difference. All right, that was the Zoom H1n. This wasn't really meant to be a review, but just more to get an idea of the sound differences between a typical microphone. Here it is. In the video, you might have seen it with this on there. This is a dead cat, but this is what it looks like without it. Okay, and it's just a really small, handy recorder.
On sale, they're typically around maybe $65, typically $100 when not on sale. It's such a great little recorder. It has up to 32 gigabytes on the SD card. It only takes 2 AA batteries and typically lasts about 12 hours. So there it is. And thanks for watching. If you like, you can always like and subscribe. Thank you.